What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I've just gotten off work, and one of the beauty parts about now us being in April going into May by the time this video is coming out is the days are longer. So me and you together are at one of the sections of the White River that I have fished before, and I have caught smallmouth. However, we're not targeting smallmouth today. I've got the ultralight set up with me because I've got some things. I've got one thing Guggen sent me in a previous video, and I found some other things that I want to throw today that I think are going to be really good and I've never thrown in the creeks today, and that is some of the micro lures. I'll show you to them here in a second, but I've got a micro square bill, so a micro banger, and the micro clutch also. But I've also got some of the crappie jigs and stuff like that here in the truck with me also that we're going to be using today, not targeting specifically smallmouth, but really targeting anything that's going to bite. Let's just be real. I don't care what it is. I just want to get a tug on the rod and feel that line just pulling a little bit right now. That's all I really care about. I'm gonna get the stuff out of the truck. I'll show you what it is in a little bit, but we're gonna head on down. We gotta hike down kind of to where we are. Hope that the water is not too high so that we can do some bank fishing or even just wade in that section of the White River also. Let's go. So here are the two micro lures that we're gonna be using. This one got sent to me in the video, and this one I've had for a while. I actually think smallmouth are going to destroy this one right here with that chartreuse greenback. In the bag, I have also just oh no, dropped them. Just a ton of the crappie series stuff from Guggen. That, in all fairness, are they meant for crappie? Yes, but these are like your basic all around just throw pan fishing lures, okay? Just know this, if you're throwing this stuff, you need to have a light setup, all right? I'm talking, like, this one is the one I got when I was in North Carolina to fish for trout, and this one is a medium light, 6 foot. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to throw those on anything other than like a finesse light setup. So, you know, Guggen's green finesse spinning rod, finesse light spinning rod with 1,000 size spinning reel, green series spinning reel. That's the micro setup I kind of want to do, but I didn't order it on the Black Friday sale, and I'm kind of regretting that I didn't because I already had this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this micro banger on really quick, and we're gonna start chunking that bad boy around. And again, I don't really care what I catch. I just kind of want to do some creek fishing and get on whatever's going to bite. Mindset I am in today, because it is absolutely gorgeous. It feels amazing, and I just want to do some fishing other than all the ponds and stuff that I've been fishing lately. So a little bit of change of pace, just get back to something that I've been wanting to do. Got our water, truck is locked up. Let's hike on down to the water. It does look high, but it doesn't look super high. So I like that. But I am gonna have to like walk around to get to the side I probably really want to. All right, let's see what we get. There's current moving. Ooh. Son of a. I chunked it all the way over that, and it's in those rocks, and I'm not gonna be able to get that now. There's no way I'm gonna be able to get this. Because it's stuck in the rocks. There's no way I'm going to be able to get this. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Capital I. Yep. Broke off. Real question, do I have my leader or do I not? Hey. Alright, I still got some leader. But my crankbait's gone. 100% gone. Dadgummit. I only had like 3 casts and I lost it. Urgh. I lose more baits than I think I catch fish. Like, I do. I 100% do. Oh, Lord. Alright. Dadgummit. I don't... Let's just go ahead and put that lipless on. Let's go put that mini clutch on now. Okay, I want to go up there. I am not walking over these rocks. I want to get away from that wall. How's it going? Putting the glasses on because the sun is... Oh. This water's cold. Actually, it feels pretty good. I wonder this isn't running right, and I wonder if it's because of the current. So one of the things I actually do like about living in Indianapolis, oh, I thought I was on, is this is in the middle of downtown. Like the White River runs right through downtown Indianapolis, and you get places like this that you don't think or feel, it doesn't feel like you're in the middle of a city, except for when you hear cars going over the bridge right behind me. So it's like extreme, like you have pond fishing if you want to do that. You've got river. Technically this is river, but it's deep, but it's shallow enough right now that you can just wade in and fish it like a creek. You have reservoirs, you have, you know, bigger lakes. You got any sort of fishing you would want to do, you can do. There's a log right upstream that I think I'm gonna go cast at after I go get my water bottle. How's it going? I don't know if I can get underneath this log. Can I go around it? Yeah, I can go around it. Yeah, the current is not moving as fast right here, so I think this is the place. I'm really regretting losing that that banger right now. Oh, I'm on that log right there. Let's just go ahead and do this, because I know it's going to happen. Yep. There's no way I'm going to get around it. Let's just break it off. Lose both of them that with that width, and let's put another leader on and tie up some crappie jigs. I should have known that was going to happen, because that current's taking that. I should have known. Oh my God, there was something big there I just spooked. Okay. All right. Oh, something instantly. Can't get that right where I want it to from this angle. Oh, that is so slick. Oh, this is stupid. This is dumb. Got one. Had him. Okay, maybe it's not as dumb as I thought. I like this right here. This is comfy. Me just sitting on my log. Because let's be real, part of fishing is just getting out and enjoying the natural beauty around you. They're not getting it. Like, I'm feeling them tugging on it, and they're not getting the hook in their mouth. Like, that must be a really, really small brim, or really, really small bluegill or something to be doing that. Got him. Almost dropped my rod. Hey, my guy. Ah! He spined me. He bleed me. I think you guys saw him though. He did not want to be on camera. He said, "You done got me. I ain't been on your YouTube video. You're not gonna show me off." Really pretty fish though. Really, really pretty sunfish. Oh. Am I hung on that log, the end of that log? Yes, I am. Oh God. Oh, yes, I am. Yep. I have lost more lures today than I have caught. That's number 4. I'm leaving this spot now, and we're going somewhere else. because I am tired of losing lures. Now let's hope I don't fall in this water. Oh, I have my balance. I had my balance. Oh, that's rolling on me. Please don't start rolling on me. Am I still? Hold on. Just in case. Yes, I am still recording. Don't try this at home. I am not a professional. Nope. At least I fell. So I went to the side that was not deep. That would have been bad. All right, so that's 4 lures I've lost already, and I just feel like I don't want to lose any more. So we're gonna leave this creek, this part of the White River. Not done. We're going to continue on to another spot to do some more, honestly, pan fishing for whatever will bite. Okay. Hey, that's not that bad. All right, just hop the wall. We're at that spillway that's along the White River. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear it. The only thing is, I'm curious how high it is. Sounds like there's a lot of water coming over it the closer I get. Oh yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fish this because most of the spots I usually get to are underwater right now. Never say never. Let's just hike. Let's go just walk down here and see if there's some spots I can fish from the bank. Okay, there's some spots I can get to, but I've never seen it this high. This is really nice though. This is really pretty though. Like, I've never seen it doing this before. That's cool. But there's all this currents coming this way and going around, and I don't know where any slack water is going to be at. So I put on a 1/4 ounce. Oh God, I can't walk right now, guys. I'm gonna lose this already again. Yep. This is just not right now. This isn't. Not right now. Apparently. Alright, so I am not going to stay at this spot any longer. But if you look behind me, that is absolutely gorgeous. I've never been here when it's been coming over that much. Like that much right there. But yeah, this is pretty. It's pretty. That's what it is. And I've never seen it like that far, like this high. I've always been able to walk down right there and cross that to get to the other side. I should have known it was going to be like this just because of how fast the current was moving at the other spot. So, I don't know. But there's one more spot while I'm down here I want to try to fish. All right, last spot. Then we're gonna call it a night. I can't let that little bitty sunfish be the only thing I caught. Like, I just can't. And in all fairness, all right, and this, like I said, this is something I've been wanting to fish for a long time. Welcome to the canal. There's a spot with some steps up here. I can get down here. And honestly, I don't know if I'm allowed to fish this or not, but I'm going to. There's a goose chasing this other one. And he keeps diving to avoid getting bit. Where I kind of want to go, I'm not going to go because there's a bunch of geese and ducks over there because people are feeding them. And I don't want to disturb those folks over there. Yeah, I know there was fishing here at one point, but I also know that they drained it for something. I don't remember what. And I don't know if anything came back in here.
How's the fishing over there, man?
No idea yet. Oh no, there's still some families over here. I really don't want to get attacked by a goose. We're going to go down just a little bit further. Here's the real thing. If I hook into something decent, I have no idea how I'm going to flip it on this micro rod. No idea how I'm going to get it up here. I did not. Oh, I almost dropped my rod. Dadgummit. I didn't think about that. You know what? We will cross that problem when we get to it. I got some bluegill chasing. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch out the weight. I'm going to switch the weight out back to that 16th ounce. So I want this bumping bug. And I want my last 16th ounce jig head. And I want this because it's a very small hook. I think that bumping bug I can just leave there and wait for one of them to hit it and just work it slower. Plus this bumping bug, unlike a tube, doesn't have a whole lot of extra things for them to grab on. So toxic waste bumping bug, which is basically my favorite lure, but in micro form. The bandito bug. Oh, already. That was a good idea. But probably needed like 1/8 of an ounce instead of the 16th. That is fish hitting it. That is fish biting it. They're just not getting the hook. They're just not getting the hook. And I have nothing smaller than this 16th ounce. Is that my truck? Got a fish. Got a little rock bass. Oh no. No, that's a little smallmouth. No, that's a little rock bass. All right. Little rock bass. Bye, guy. So this reminds me of my first time fishing in Texas and fishing in Dallas. Like fishing that creek that ran straight through downtown Dallas. It was awesome. That's what this reminds me of right now. Oh. Got him. That's a fat old sunfish. And he swiped at it and I got him in the head. Come out. Bye. Look, these aren't very big. These aren't big fish, but these are fun to catch. Having a little ultralight or, you know, medium light, ultralight setup with a little bumping bug like this right here. This is just fun. All right. This is fun. They don't all have to be like 4 or 5 pound largemouth bass to be able to get out and enjoy a little bit of fishing. That's just feeling a pleasant little tug on a rod, on the end of the rod. And that's all you need. That's all you need. Just take the hook, please. Just get the hook. I don't have anything smaller. How small are these fish if they can't get that small of a hook in their mouth? Dear God. I'm just begging you, please. Take the hook. Just get the hook. Just please. Honestly, anything that'll bite.
What bites here?
I have no idea. I've caught 3 fish already, but they've been like 2 small sunfish and a rock bass.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
So,
You have fun.
yeah, it's just having fun, something different than what I normally do.
Yeah.
So,
That's awesome.
yeah, I want to clip that for that conversation right there. I just need these fish to get the hook. Like, I put the bumping bug on instead of the tube because I was like, oh, maybe. Like, this is crazy. And I bumped it to like the 1/8 ounce, like the 16th ounce, like the smallest one I have and they make. I'm like, come on. Like, I feel it right there. I thought I felt it. Got him. Oh, get up here. Oh, that's a nice little fish right there. That's a nice chunky little rock bass. That's a nice little rock bass right there. Man. And if you're curious how you can tell they're a rock bass, look at the top dorsal. You're gonna have the spines on the top dorsal, and then look at the eyes. They're gonna be red. So this is a nice. This is a good sized fish for here. Like, that's a really good sized fish. Bye, guy. Thanks for biting. I'm happy with that. That was a good one. Just hope I can get another one like that. I should have just came here from the get-go. And the bumping bug, boys, let me tell you, the bumping bug is doing the deal right now. Toxic waste bumping bug, guys. This is You know what? The bug is the drug normally, and apparently the bug is the drug for all these as well. All right, guys. It was a successful evening, and this is the first time I've actually gone until the lights have come on. So that's what we're calling it. I'm going to encourage you guys to do this. go, okay, of course, you can always go onto googensquad.com using my promo code NCLF to save some money and pick up the micro finesse rod. And then you want to pick up you can pick up the green one, and then you want to pick up the green 1000 spool spinning reel, preferably the green one. That would be a really good micro setup. All right, just being honest with you. Or just go to your local Dick's, go to whatever, and all you really want to find, or your local academy, or whatever you have near you where you can pick up fishing gear, and you want to look for either an ultralight or a medium light rod with a, like a 1000 size spool, spinning spool. And get out here and just go to some areas, go to some creeks, go to little canals that may be in your neighborhood, or heck, whatever, and toss some of the little bitty stuff around. And you will be surprised what you catch. Tonight was not about me going out and catching like a 7 to 8 pound bass. That's not what tonight was about. Tonight was about me getting out, trying something new, doing something I haven't got to do in a very long time, and get on just whatever would bite. All right, and that's what I did. That's what I did, and it took me getting to the canal down here in Broad Ripple in order to do that. So, for all of you who live in Indianapolis and you're looking for a good spot to come fish the canal down in Broad Ripple. Like, just bring you a light setup, and you should be good. Okay. Anyway, I'm pretty sure you guys heard that. That is my Ring doorbell, letting me know that folks are home. So it's 9 o'clock right now, guys, and the sun's just now gone down. So I'm heading out to the house. I appreciate you guys for watching. Again, you guys know what to do already. All right, so just go ahead, do the things, and I will see you back out on the water. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.